Listen, Amazon is a battlefield. Millions of products, all fighting for attention. It's a chaotic, competitive environment where only the strongest survive. You can have the best product in the world, but if nobody sees it, you're dead in the water. Imagine spending months perfecting your product, only for it to get lost in the crowd. That's where PPC comes in. Pay-per-click advertising. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. Your secret weapon to cut through the noise and get your product seen. Think of PPC as your megaphone in a crowded room. Think of it like this. Amazon is like Times Square. Bright lights, big city, and everyone is vying for attention. Millions of people, sensory overload. It's easy to get lost in the shuffle. Your PPC campaign is that giant flashing billboard that makes everyone stop and stare. It's the beacon that draws eyes to your product. It puts your product front and center, right when customers are searching for what you sell. Timing is everything, and PPC ensures you're in the right place at the right time. Visibility is just the first step. PPC also drives conversions. It's not enough to be seen, you need to be compelling. Targeted ads put your product in front of the right people, the ones most likely to buy. It's precision marketing at its finest. It's like having a salesperson whisper in your ear, "Hey, this is exactly what you're looking for." Boom, sale. It's that personal touch that makes all the difference. Bottom line, PPC is not an option on Amazon, it's a necessity. In today's digital age, you can't afford to ignore it. If you're not investing in PPC, you're leaving money on the table. Period. Every click you miss is a potential sale lost. Don't let your competitors outshine you. Embrace PPC and watch your business soar. The most successful businesses on Amazon are leveraging PPC to dominate the market. They understand that visibility and targeted advertising are key to staying ahead. With PPC, you also get detailed analytics. You can see what's working and what's not, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. It's like having a roadmap to success. And the best part? You can continuously optimize your campaigns for better results. It's an ongoing process that keeps you ahead of the curve. Effective PPC strategies lead to business growth and increased sales. It's a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can transform your business. So, don't wait. Start investing in PPC today and watch your business thrive. It's your secret weapon in the Amazon battlefield. Alright, you're ready to unleash the power of PPC. First things first, you need a game plan. Jumping into Amazon PPC without a strategy is like walking into the jungle without a machete. Recipe for disaster. Start by defining your goals. What do you want to achieve with your PPC campaign? Increased brand awareness? Drive more sales? Be specific. Measurable goals will keep you focused and on track. Next, choose your weapon: sponsored products, sponsored brands, or sponsored display ads. Each one has its own strengths. Sponsored products are like snipers, targeting specific product searches. Sponsored brands are your billboards, building brand awareness. Sponsored display ads are your retargeting ninjas, bringing back customers who showed interest. Finally, set your budget. How much are you willing to spend on clicks? Start small, experiment, and scale up as you learn what works. Remember, PPC is an investment. Treat it like one. Keywords are the lifeblood of your PPC campaign. They're the words and phrases customers use to find products like yours on Amazon. Choose the right keywords and you're golden. Choose wrong and you're throwing money down the drain. Think like your customer. What would they type into the search bar to find your product? Don't just focus on obvious keywords. Think about long-tail keywords, those longer, more specific phrases. They might have lower search volume, but they're also less competitive and attract more qualified leads. Use Amazon's built-in tools like brand analytics and the search bar suggestions. Spy on your competitors. What keywords are they using? There are also tons of third-party keyword research tools out there. Find one that fits your budget and gives you the insights you need. Remember, keyword research is an ongoing process. Don't just set it and forget it. Continuously analyze your keyword performance, add new keywords, and pause those that aren't performing. Section 4, Bidding Wars, Mastering the Art of Amazon Ads. Here's where things get interesting. Bidding. It's the heart of Amazon PPC. You're essentially entering an auction, bidding against other sellers for ad placement. The higher you bid, the better your chances of winning the auction and showing your ad. But hold your horses. Don't just go throwing money around like it's going out of style. You need a strategy. Start by understanding the different bidding options: dynamic bidding, down only, up and down, fixed bids, and bid adjustments. Experiment with different bidding strategies and see what works best for your products and budget. Monitor your campaigns closely and adjust your bids accordingly. Remember, the goal is not to win every auction but to win the right auctions at the right price. Pro tip: use negative keywords to your advantage. These are keywords that are irrelevant to your product and can drain your budget. By adding negative keywords, you're telling Amazon not to show your ads for those searches. Now let's dive deeper into the nuances of bidding. It's not just about placing the highest bid, it's about understanding the market dynamics and your competition. Conduct thorough research on your competitors, know their strengths and weaknesses. This will help you make informed decisions on how much to bid. Calculate your maximum bid based on your profit margins. You don't want to bid so high that you end up losing money on each sale. Understand the relationship between bid amounts and ad placements. Sometimes a slightly lower bid can still secure a good position if your ad is highly relevant. Consider the timing of your bids. Certain times of the day or week might be more competitive, so adjust your bids accordingly. Also, keep an eye on seasonal trends. During peak shopping seasons, bids might need to be higher to stay competitive. Utilize automated bidding tools if you find manual adjustments too time-consuming. These tools can help optimize your bids based on real-time data. Regularly review your ad performance reports. Look for patterns and insights that can help you refine your bidding strategy. Make data-driven decisions. If a particular bid strategy isn't working, don't be afraid to change it. With the right approach, you can master the art of Amazon ads and see significant returns on your investment. Happy bidding! Section 5. Show me the money optimizing your ad spend. Alright, you've got your campaigns running, your bids are set, and the clicks are coming in. But the real question is, are these clicks translating into actual revenue for your business? It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of seeing high click numbers, but clicks alone don't pay the bills. You need to ensure that your ad spend is generating a positive return on investment. That's where optimization comes in. Optimization is not just a buzzword, it's a critical process that can make or break your advertising efforts. It's not enough to just spend money on PPC. You need to make sure every dollar counts. This means continuously refining your strategies to get the most out of your budget. You need to make sure every dollar counts. This involves a deep dive into your campaign data to understand what's working and what's not. Start by tracking your key metrics: click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, cost per click, CPC, and most importantly, return on ad spend, ROAS. These metrics are your guiding stars in the vast sea of digital advertising. These metrics will tell you how your campaigns are performing and where you need to make adjustments. Analyze your ad copy. Is it compelling? Does it speak directly to your target audience's needs and desires? Does it highlight the benefits of your product? Your ad copy should clearly communicate the unique value proposition of your product or service. Test different headlines, images, and calls to action to see what resonates with your audience. A/B testing is a powerful tool that allows you to compare different versions of your ads to determine which one performs better. Remember, your ad is your first impression. Make it count. A well-crafted ad can capture attention and drive engagement, while a poorly designed one can turn potential customers away. Don't be afraid to pause or even kill campaigns that are not performing. It's better to cut your losses early than to continue pouring money into a failing campaign. Sometimes, cutting your losses is the best way to optimize your ad spend. By reallocating your budget to more successful campaigns, you can maximize your overall return on investment. Focus your resources on the campaigns that are generating the most returns. Celebrate your successes, learn from your failures, and keep refining your strategies to stay ahead in the competitive world of digital advertising.